Okay, A-Push Unit 6 review in 1 minute. Let's go. The period is 1865 to 1898, the first date being the end of the Civil War and the second being the Spanish-American War. Now, it's called the Gilded Age, and if something is gilded, that means it's covered in a layer of gold. And in this case, what the gold was covering was often a stanky kind of turd. Anyway, during this period, America really got its big boy industrial pants on and caught up with European industrial powers to become a major player on the world stage. And this happened in part because of new technologies like electricity and the telephone, and in part because of government policies that facilitated westward expansion and took a hands-off, laissez-faire approach to regulating industrial giants like Carnegie and Rockefeller. And that made a handful of people fabulously wealthy while also creating the occasion for the rise of the middle class. Now, the working class, they got these jobs and all, but they're often living in squalor and getting sick from everyone else's nasty germs and getting paid a pittance to do it. So they started forming labor unions to advocate for themselves, and several reforms were made like higher pay and reduced work hours, but most of those efforts are going to come to fruition in the next period. Oh yeah, and don't forget that our little industrial party caused huge waves of immigrants to come in looking for jobs, a development which made nativists more than a little cranky. Also of note is that by 1890, the western frontier was declared closed, and so what's a westward expanding nation to do? Well, you become an imperial power, and that's what we did with the annexation of Hawaii and the Philippines, among others, and that's it. I'll see you in Unit 7.